Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today we are trying another battle of the foundations, and today's foundation is the LA Girl Pro Matte High Definition Foundation. So if you want to see my thoughts on this and how it wears, just keep watching. But before we get started, I want to remind you, if you have not taken a moment to subscribe to my channel yet, please go ahead and just hit that subscribe button down below. And also hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started on this and find out how the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation works. Alright, so again, we are trying out the LA Girl Pro Matte version of their foundation. I did do a video before on their LA Girl Pro Coverage, which is an illuminating foundation. I'll put a card right up here if you missed that video so you can go watch that. Again, we're going to be trying out the matte version and seeing how we like that. I can tell you this comes in 14 shades, and they say it has a suede-like finish. It runs $8.99, and you get 1 fluid ounce in this. So as always, I'm going to do one side of my face with a sponge and the other side with a flat top kabuki brush. I have primed already, and I have done my under eye color correcting. And all of the items that I'm using today, I will leave links for you down in the description box if you are interested in finding out more information or just purchasing them. Okay, again, this does come in 14 shades, and I have the shade Natural. I have tried this one other time. It's been actually a few weeks ago, so I kind of forgot how much I liked it or didn't like it. Normally, if I absolutely hate something, I won't even do the video and I will return the item right away. So I must have liked this in some way, shape, or form. So I'm going to pump some out on my finger. This is what the consistency looks like. And I'll do this side first, as I always do. And again, we'll use a sponge. A little bit more. Using my Sonia Kashuk sponge, and I'm still collecting sponges to test out. Just didn't want to test them in any of my videos that involve foundation because I want to make sure I know what products I'm using to put foundation on and how they perform. I don't want to use some sponge that I don't care for and then have it ruin my foundation. Okay. That is one coat. Quick peeksy here. Okay, it's still not covering everything up very well. Let me get better into the hairline here. Yeah, I have a lot of my hyperpigmentation and freckles kind of showing through still, so we will definitely be going in with the second coat. But let's try this side with the brush. Big blob there. I think I put too much on. I'm using my Morphe. There's the Y6 brush. All right, let's see how that looks close up. It definitely gave me more coverage. I did use a pore filling primer. I'm still seeing a lot of my pores come through on this side. So let's go in with one more layer. Sponge, well, let's go try the sponge on this side. I'm not going to do my forehead because I think that has enough on there. It did better. Still seeing some freckles come through. I'm going to go a little lighter on the brush side. This does not feel heavy on my face at all. Nice lightweight feel to it. Okay, definitely the brush is giving better coverage than the sponge is, so I'm going to apply just a teeny bit more in here, but I'm going to use the brush on this side. And then I think I'm going to take the sponge and just kind of gently tap that in all over. Seems like I've been having to do that a lot more lately. Oh yeah, I can already tell it's giving a much better finish. All right, this is the completed foundation. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back in just a flash to show you how everything turned out. All right, guys, this is the finished look, and let me kind of tell you my thoughts on this foundation. For starters, I forgot to tell you, this did dry down completely, so you can get away with not powdering, except for, of course, setting your concealer and things like that, but you can get away without doing it. I do it because I just happen to do that in every video, just so I have a consistent process I go through with every foundation. So the pores work themselves out really well. I think it settled in everything very nicely. I am getting some pretty deep creasing right in here already though, and that one, yeah, that one's really standing out. Forehead's becoming pretty creasy as well. So I'm going to have to wear this throughout the day and let you know my final thoughts on it. I'll leave comments down below in my description box on it. But overall, it's not quite up to the illuminating one that they have. Again, this is just it's a matte. They say satin finish, it's matte. So, but thanks so much for watching. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you have any questions or comments or things that you'd like to see me do or foundations that you'd like to see me try out, please leave a comment down below as well. So until next time, you guys, I love you, and bye-bye.